So now I'm looking at the video. So it's a little tricky, you know?
Keep it right there.
How about we just go up high? See now?
Is that camera on the top of it?
Yeah. See now? See the view?
You can see we have a camera showing it.
But you know, you need space because, you know, I don't want to hit a tree, you know. Still a little...
Should I be zooming here on the GoPro?
You're not pointing at the... You get the gist, right? You go high up with it.
It's over the roof now. See how high it is? Wow. See now, from here it doesn't look that high, but look at that, you realize how high it is.
Yeah. And it's windy.
It is
wow,
windy,
you
yeah.
hear the wind blowing.
This is what it looks like on the other
But it's very
camera.
stable.
Yeah. No, the helicopter can never video.
It looks on the video. Okay. You look like
Down because the wind is fighting the wind, I can tell. Birds or anything? Nah, I never saw it. It's like probably first flight. Oh, second flight. I thought maybe flight. Alright, we're going to land, guys. Nah, but you know what's like okay, move out of the way. Because if it hits you, we'll chop you up.
Carlo Borges, on the money. That's awesome.